Hello, in front of me I've got Earfun Air Pro 3. In this video I'll show you how to use gestures of your earbuds. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected to your smartphone. Here we've got the multifunctional buttons. Tap twice on either earbud to answer or end the calls. Tap and hold for 2 seconds on either earbud to decline the call. Tap 3 times on either earbud to answer and transfer 2 calls. To activate voice assistant, tap and hold on the right earbud for 2 seconds. To enable or disable noise cancelling, tap and hold for 2 seconds on left earbud. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.